everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home management with 10 life-changing hacks every housewife should know. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tips will make your life easier and more organized. Let's get started. First up is meal planning. Spend a little time each week planning your meals. This not only saves time but also reduces food waste and helps you stick to your budget. Use apps or a simple calendar to jot down your ideas. Next, create a cleaning schedule. Break down tasks into daily, weekly, and monthly chores. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed, and your home will always be in tip-top shape. Tip number 3 is to make your own natural cleaners. Combine vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils for effective and eco-friendly cleaning solutions. They're safe for your family and the environment. Fourth, use baskets for organization. Designate a basket for each family member or category of items. This makes tidying up a breeze and keeps everything in its place. Hack 5 is all about time blocking. Allocate specific time slots for different tasks throughout your day. This helps you stay focused and productive, ensuring you get everything done. Next, consider batch cooking. Prepare larger portions of meals and freeze them for later. This saves you time on busy days and ensures you always have a healthy meal ready to go. Seventh, maintain a family calendar. Use a physical planner or a shared digital calendar to keep track of everyone's activities. This reduces confusion and helps you stay connected as a family. Tip 8 is to declutter regularly. Set aside time each month to go through items and donate or throw away what you no longer need. A clutter-free home is a happier home. Ninth, get creative with leftovers. Transform last night's dinner into a new meal. For example, use leftover roasted chicken for tacos or salads. It's a great way to minimize waste. And finally, don't forget about self-care. Set aside time for yourself each week, whether it's reading, exercising, or just relaxing. A happy housewife means a happy home. That's it for today's video. We hope these hacks help you in your daily life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Comment below with your favorite life hacks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.